In this video, we'll walk you step by step through how to send and check your eFax inside the AHS PBX portal. Whether you're a basic user or an office manager, this guide will help you navigate the Fax tab easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into the PBX portal. Open your preferred browser and search for advancedhostedservices.com in the address bar. Once you're on our website, look for the PBX login button and click on it. A new window will appear where you can enter your login credentials. Once your credentials are entered, press Login to access your account. If you don't have your login details yet, no worries. Just send us an email at support@advancednetworkservices.us. And one of our agents will be happy to assist you. Step 2. Access the Fax tab. Click on the Fax option from the main menu. If you're an office manager, you'll need to go to your account first. Just click your name in the upper right corner, select My Account, and you'll see the Fax tab there. Step 3. Check received and sent faxes. In the Fax tab, you'll see two main sections, Inbox and Sent. The inbox displays all faxes you've received. You can download the document, view a small preview of each fax, see who sent it, when it was received, and how many pages it has, or even delete it if you no longer need it. To view your sent faxes, simply click the inbox dropdown and switch to Sent. Here you can see all faxes you've sent, download or view each document, check which fax number it was sent to, see the date, number of pages, and the status. Step 4. Send an eFax. Click the Send Fax button. A small window will appear with several options. It will ask you to select a cover page. There are 3 options to choose from. None. Send the fax without a cover page. Compose. Type a short message that will appear as your cover page. File. Upload a file to use as the cover page. For this example, we'll leave it set to none. Next, choose the file you want to fax by clicking Browse. Select your document and save. If you'd like to send more than one file, click the blue Add button to attach additional documents. Under Caller ID, you can select the fax number you want to send from. This is especially useful if your account has multiple fax lines. Finally, enter the destination fax number you want to send to and click Send. Your fax will now appear in queue. To check its progress, go back to the Sent section. It will show as sending and later update to delivered once complete. And that's it. You've just learned how to send and check your eFax directly from the AHS PBX portal. We hope you had a smooth experience. Thanks for watching and see you next time.